Good morning, students. We are discussing lesson 2 of political science, class 10th, federalism. I am Anita Sehgal explaining this chapter. We have discussed definition of federalism, that there is government at more than one level. Then we discussed features of federalism, and then difference between unitary and federal government, and that both these governments are separately answerable to people. Then we discussed two roots of federalism: coming together federalism and holding together federalism. Holding together federalism is found in India. Now question arises, what makes India a federal country? We have divided legislative powers into union list, state list, and concurrent list. In concurrent list, both state government and union government can make laws. And in residuary powers, the subjects like computer software comes. We have government at more than one level. We have rigid constitution which cannot be changed very easily. Then we have union territories which have very little power, and central government has authority in running them. We have been practicing federalism. We have made the states on the basis of languages. Then we made a separate language policy in which English and Hindi were made the official languages. Then we are discussing center-state relationship, that center and state relations are very good after the coalition governments were being made in our country. We are discussing that in India after 1992 an act was passed and decentralization was done and third tier of government was made. It is called local government, and power was given to the local government. Regular elections were held and some seats are reserved for SC, ST and OBCs, and at least 1/3 seats have been reserved for women candidates. Now we will discuss about some important terms. Panchayati Raj system. Rural government, local government is popularly known by the name of Panchayati Raj system. Now what are panchayats? It consists of several wards. Members are often called Panch, Sarpanch, and they are elected directly by the adult citizens. Gram Sabha, all the voters in the village are its member. It has to meet at least twice or thrice in a year to approve the annual budget of the Gram Panchayat and to review the performance of Gram Panchayat. Now what is Block SAMITI and ZILA PARISHAD? A few Gram Panchayats are grouped together to form Panchayat SAMITI, block or mandal. The members of this representative body are elected by all Panchayat members in that area. All the Panchayat Samitis or mandals in a district together are elected by the Panchayat members in that area. All the Panchayat Samitis or mandal in a district level body are called ZILA PARISHAD. ZILA PARISHAD chairperson is the political head of ZILA PARISHAD. Now municipal committee and municipal corporation, the local bodies. Municipalities are set up in towns. Big cities are having municipal corporations. Both municipalities and municipal corporation are controlled by elected bodies consisting of people, representatives. Municipal chairperson is the political head of municipality, and in municipal corporation such duties are done by mayor. Now we will discuss some similar and different features of federalism in India and Belgium. Similar features are that in both the countries power is divided between national government, state government and local government. In Belgium, government is community government. In Belgium, the community government has power regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. In India, Legislative powers are mentioned in Union List, State List, and Concurrent List. According to the Act of 1992, more powers have been given to local governments. And difference between Belgium and India is that in Belgium there is community government, but in India there is no such government. Thank you and have a nice day.